Nothing is immune to the hands of time. Even the most durable flooring materials need periodic rejuvenation.
My family and I, we have a lot of traffic and we just don't have time to maintain it. We got busy lives and it's just time to really get it taken care of.
With proper care, maintenance, and restoration, these marble floors can last generations.
After talking to the homeowner, we're going to restore the floors in this house and basically get it back to its natural beauty.
Boris does a walkthrough with the homeowner, pointing out the problems.
Well, basically the floor was neglected for years from previous owners. To get it back to original stage, we need basically to clean it really good, take care of all these scratches. Then we're gonna flatten the floor, we're gonna fill all the holes, so it's gonna look gorgeous after we're done.
So one of the neighbors referred me to you, and when I heard your company name was Affordable Marble Restoration, those were like the three magic words for me.
The crew clears the furniture and covers the baseboards.
Here you can see highest traffic area in this house, of course.
And of course, kitchen cooking, you got all the grease and dirt. And
of course, by the sink. This is the holes we're trying to fill to make it as flat as possible.
You know, in some of the tiles, like if you look at these ones here, there's just tons of pitting here. And when they come from outside, the dirt gets in there and everything.
Well, you got to realize a lot of these stones are from the different quarries. So some of the stones are more stronger, some less. Even in the high traffic areas, you can see wear and tear is different on a stone.
Boris meets with his crew, pointing out details and special care areas of the floor. They're set to go. Did you know marble floors need regular maintenance? Avoid harsh chemicals and use mild cleaners made specifically for stone floors. Never use mops and sprays made for cleaning vinyl floors on a stone floor. Dust mop marble floors frequently to remove dust and dirt particles that have been ground in by heavy foot traffic. The next day, after the floors have dried, the project moves into its second phase.
The homeowner wanted the satin finish, and that's what we're doing today. We're sealing and buffing the floor to get to the final result, and then we can move the furniture back.
Once Boris and his crew have completed the final buffing, the marble floor has a vibrant new life.
Well, marble floor can last forever if you take care of it, and Affordable Marble Restoration can help you with that.
So they finished the floor and I am beyond ecstatic at the results. They delivered on every promise. It's beautiful, it's flat, it doesn't have all the little pits for the dirt to catch into. They really brought new life into this floor. If rocks can really have life, this is it.